What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Fink the fox from the Wild Robot. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. And I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to draw two ovals for the pupils along the inside, but we're going to pull this towards the inside edge. So let's start on the left. And go up, come down, and just pull that up on the inside. I'm just going to line that up on the right. And then at the top of each pupil, draw a small circle for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now from here we draw the trim going around the eyes up towards the eyebrow. Let's start on the left side of the eye, then this out, in, and then pull that up. Let's line this up on the right, coming down and out, around the eye, and then bend that in. Now from the top of the brow, we're going to step down, curve this in, and out in behind the eye. Let's go to the bottom in the center and draw an oval for the nose, going around and then up. Add a small highlight, circle along the top, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's go to the bottom of the nose in the center, draw a straight line coming down to separate the mouth. Now I'm going to curve the mouth on the left side, coming down and up, go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. And then on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's move down and add the chin, coming down and then up. Now I want to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, go all the way towards the side and draw the cheek. We're going to come down and then bend that in towards the chin and then line this up on the right. So all the way out here, bend this down and then curve that in. Let's add a couple points of fur along the outside. Come down and in with a short line, bend this up and then out. Now we're going to curve the side of the head, coming in and then up towards the base of the ear. Now on the left side, I'm going to curve the outside edge of the ear. We're going to go out, and it's up and then in towards the top. And then we want to add that fold, rounding out the top, comes down, and then bend that back out towards the bottom. Now on the right side, we're going to bend the ear also over towards the right. So we're going to start by coming in, go up, and then bend that out towards the point. We'll bend this down, come in, and then down towards the bottom. Now we're going to add a fold across the top of the ear. Let's start on the left. Bend this in, and come down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to add a fold, so we're going to step back up, bend this down, and then in towards the top of the head. Then over on the right, we're going to step up, bend this in, and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the middle with some fur. We're going to go out and up, come down and in, and it's up and out, and close off the side. Let's go back and add that trim around the mouth. Start from the side of the nose, bend this out, and then down, going around the mouth. Bend this up, and then out. I'm also going to add a couple whiskers along the side. Start on the left, going up and then out just underneath the eye. Step down, go across, and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside fur of the body. Let's start on the left side, bend this in, and then down. Same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a point of fur, going up and in. On the left, coming down and in. I'm just going to pull the leg coming down in the center towards the heels. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, in, and then down in the middle. Now in the center of the body, let's add a little bit of fur going out towards the right. Starting in the middle, then it's out and then down. Add a point, come down and then out. Now along the bottom of the feet, we're going to separate each of the toes. Let's start with the left side. Coming down and out, go up, and then back down like a half oval. Go to the right and do the same thing. Going out, going up toward the top, and then down. Let's add 2 more toes along the outside. Coming down and up, going up, just tucking that in behind. And we'll do that one more time. Going down and up, go up, and just tucking that in. Let's place the claws in the center of each toe with a small half oval, going up and then down. Let's go in between the last 2 toes. Gonna bend the leg, coming in, go up and then out. Add a point of fur, coming down, go along the side, and then up. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw the outside perimeter of the body. Let's start underneath the cheek, and this in, and then down. Just going to work our way around the hips. So we're going to go out. And we want to bend this in, aiming towards the front legs. Let's add a point of fur, go up and out. Continue down and in behind the front legs. Let's tuck the hind feet along the side. So from this point, we're going to step up, round up the first toe, go up, and then bring that all the way down. And repeat those steps. Coming down and up, just tucking that in, and do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing over on the right. And then again, in the center of each toe, draw a small half oval for the claws. On the side of the body, we're going to draw the hind leg. So let's start on the left. Then it's up and then out. Let's add that point of fur. Go all the way around the outside of the leg and then in. Add another point of fur, going up. It's going to pull this down and then in between those last 2 toes. Let's go back and separate the bottom of the front legs. So starting from the outside, we're going to draw a zigzag, going up, and then down. Repeat that over on the right. Let's do the same thing across the bottom of the hind legs. Coming down, up, and then down, giving a little bit of a curve. And then finally, we're going to give our character a large tail coming out from the left side. Let's start along the bottom of the leg, bend this out, pull that up. Let's add a point of fur, coming down and in. We're going to go all the way up to the top of the tail, and then bend that in. Now I'm just going to continue down towards the top of the leg. Just adding these points of fur, coming down, and then bend that in. Now the last thing we're going to do is separate the end of the tail with a zigzag pattern. Start from the outside. I want to bend this up and in. Come down. I'm just going to continue towards the inside of the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Fink from the Wild Robot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.